This is Chriso. What I'm doing here is putting a primer sealer on the floor. I'm going to be tiling this floor, going over tiles. These tiles are actually on cork. It was originally 20 or 30 years ago, or 20 years ago, roughly. Cork was laid, and then the owners put down tiles, and now we're putting down tiles again on top. They are super solid. In Australia, when your floor is solid, you go over the top if you're able to. The hassle of pulling these tiles up and jackhammering up the cork and God knows what, whoa, what a biggie. Then you'd have to put down cement sheet and start again, and it would be full on, well, it would be on its way to start breaking the bank, because it would cost heaps. So everything's solid, you go straight over the top. I've scuffed it all up. And what you see here is I bought this morning. It is a shroud. I had been advised to get one, you know, come on, and it was said to me, come on Chriso, don't bloody breathe in the dust. So I went out and bought one, and I've used it on this job, and it's worked well. So yeah, I'll use it again. They're not expensive. I think it was about $77. It saves your lungs. I've always done it sort of the dusty way, but I didn't want to fill this house with dust, so it's all worked out well. So I'll be doing a set out in a minute. Once this dries, it'll be a little while. I'll bring up a fan and set up my fan to blow, and it'll dry it pretty quickly. So I'll just finish this, and then I'll do a set out with the tiles, and we'll get started. I have got a shitload of cuts to do. It's going to be my slowest part of this floor, so I need to work it out that I've got the least cuts, but the way it is, I don't think I'll be able to, and I'll probably go off the same. I'm laying a 6x6 tile. This is a 500 by 500 that's down. I will probably be going off the same set out, like it's a full tile up the centre of the hall there. So I'll probably be doing the same, so I won't have any full tiles anywhere. So that's cool, you know, around my edges. Okay, I'll see you soon. This is Chriso. Stay tuned. See that finger? It's poking the subscribe button. Do it. People is more or less do the same set out as what I've got. These people have been living with this tile for 20 years, and they would like the set out pretty similar, not drastically changed. So if it doesn't line up with the tiles outside, Bob the owner will pop down some of these tiles, go straight over the top of that. It will look good if it's lining through, but if I lined up with those tiles out there, my whole setup or set out would be way different. and we've got to cut down on waste a little bit, and the way it works out now, we'll get minimum waste. Like one tile will do both cuts. So we'll get started. I'll mix up some glue. I'll lay full tiles today, then I've got something to walk on, and do cuts tomorrow and the next day. I would say there's a day and a half easy of cuts, but then I'm able to start at one end and go right through, not do those cuts and then leave those out and then carry on. No, it's better to run right through.